What is up guys, my name is Chase and these are my hands. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Amazon Echo Spot. I picked this up because I wanted an Amazon you-know-what device that also had a clock on it. A while ago I bought an Echo Show and I still use it, I still love it. My only thing with the Echo Show is that I don't like that sometimes you'll get ads or like personalized recommendations and whatnot. I know you can turn it off and stuff, but I just want something that is a basic as basic comes type of clock. I have a Lenovo smart clock that, it connects to Wi-Fi so that you get the properly synced clock. It has Google Home Assistant if you want that kind of thing. I absolutely love that. My only thing is that I wish the screen was bigger. So anyway, I was looking for something with, Amazon capabilities that is similar to that. That seems like what the Echo Spot is. I don't think it does any of like the brightness dimming or, showing recommendations or ads on it. I believe this is just a super duper basic clock. Anyway, here's a look around the box. 2.8-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth, hands-free with ALEXA, microphones on-off button, in-app privacy controls. On the back, we have, some of the different commands that you can say. What's the weather? Play top hits. Wake me up when September ends. Oh wait, it says at 7 a.m. Smart speaker with display plus ALEXA. What's in the box? Echo Spot and power adapter. Setup is simple and requires Wi-Fi and the Amazon A app. So that's pretty much everything around the box. How about let's actually see what's inside of the box. Wow. Here's the Echo Spot. So we have this little area here, which is the screen. This is like the speaker. On the bottom, it has a nice like rubber area so that it sits nicely. And here's where the little power adapter goes. On the top, we have the different buttons. I'm guessing these are the microphones, ? This is the button where you can turn off the microphone for privacy. And these are the volume buttons. Continuing on inside of the box, we get our power adapter here. And then some basic paperwork and instructions and stuff. I guess we might as well do a quick little setup here just to see what this is all about. So our power adapter plugs into the back like this. Now I was thinking recently, what is sort of the competitor to this? Because it features a much smaller screen than say the Echo Show 5 or a lot of the Google Home Hub products. And funnily enough, what I realized might be a good competitor for this is actually the Nintendo Sound Clock Alarmo. I know, who would have thought? But both of these feature a pretty modest screen size. I forget off the top of my head what the screen size of the Alarmo is. I'll put it on the screen here. But the screens look somewhat similar, at least in size. I guess it would help if we turn on the Amazon one. Looks like it's starting up here. Scan to open the A app. So I guess I'll use my phone here to scan it. So it's opening the Amazon app on my phone. We will agree and continue. It's searching for my Wi-Fi. Alright, it's connecting to the Wi-Fi now. Alright, so we'll keep setting up on the app here. It's doing some updating, I guess. Oh, neat. So we can actually choose the clock display here. That's fun. I have really bad eyes, so I need like the most bold clock that I can get. Well, I guess now we have to wait for it to update. So while we wait for the Echo Spot to update here, back to our Nintendo Sound Clock Alarmo. My main thing is that I hope this screen doesn't auto dim on the Amazon one, because if we take a look at the Nintendo Sound Clock Alarmo, a lot of the times this clock will auto dim, and I've disabled like the auto brightness features and everything like that, but still it like dims the screen a lot of the times, which makes it very hard for me to see what time it is, especially at night. I understand that it's most likely for screen burn-in, I guess, but I just want like a digital clock that shows the time all the time. Like a lot of the times I'm doing stuff on my computer, in full screen. I don't have a clock easily accessible, and I just want to look to the side and see what time it is, so I am very much hoping that the Echo Spot does not auto dim the screen. I will say it's always exciting to get a new Echo device. I feel like they've come a long way in that a lot of the more recent Echo devices just, feel very nice. And this Echo Spot definitely feels, it feels premium, it feels really nice, it looks nice as well. If you couldn't tell, I got the white version. I don't know, I'm thinking of getting more white devices now just because I feel like white products like this, they don't show dust as much as black products. So maybe I'll just start getting white of everything. Anyway, now it's saying almost done. We're ready to go, people. Oh, when you press the volume up and down, it shows the little volume indicator. All right, there we go. We have a clock. That's all I wanted. Okay, it is touchscreen. For some reason, I wasn't expecting it to be touchscreen. I guess there are different things that you can change here. You can change the brightness. This is do not disturb, I'm guessing, yeah. We can go into settings, clock and theme. That's another thing. I just want a device that shows the date as well. A lot of the times, once again, when I'm working full screen on my computer and it doesn't show like the date or anything, and I have calendars everywhere, but I just want something that shows what day it is today, because sometimes I forget. I have the memory of a potato. It at least shows the weather, which is interesting. I wonder if you can change it to show the date. Oh, nice. This one has the date on it. That's actually like perfect. I like this one. You can go into Bluetooth, display, brightness. So the brightness setting is literally just a brightness slider. Adaptive brightness, we want to turn this off. I will say, like, you can kind of tell that this is a very stripped down OS that it's running here, which, I mean, obviously is to be expected. I just think it's interesting, you know, comparing the operating system on the Echo Spot compared to something like the Echo Show. Oh, we're already doing a software update, nice. So I still don't know for sure whether or not this will, you know, just automatically change the brightness. I guess I would just have to use this and see what happens. I mean, I like the clock feature. Like, this is pretty much the only reason I wanted this. I just need a clock on my desk. And actually, yeah, speaking of which, this is like the perfect size just to have, you know, off on a desk like this. And now that the LCD is actually on, you know, you can kind of see it's a square, you know, screen here, which once again, we can compare it to the Nintendo Sound Clock Alarmo. The screen seems to be quite similar in size, which is very interesting. In any case, that is the Echo Spot. I'm looking forward to, you know, just putting this on my desk. But let me know in the comments what Amazon devices you guys use. And if you want to watch my unboxing of another Amazon product, check out the video below. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Chase, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.